Not often recognized, but equally important to the safety and survival of the Apollo astronauts was the survival kit, meant to provide a means of subsistence for up to 2 days after landing in case they wound up in a remote area. These devices were crucial in the event of an emergency landing or if the capsule landed off course. The gear included flotation devices, such as life vests and inflatable rafts, which helped keep the astronauts afloat in case of a water landing. Additionally, the survival gear included signaling devices, such as strobe lights and flares, to attract the attention of rescue teams and aid in their swift recovery. Each astronaut also carried a survival kit containing essential items such as emergency rations, water purification tablets, medical supplies, and communication equipment. This gear was designed to sustain the astronauts until rescue teams arrived and provided them with medical assistance and transportation back to shore. This survival kit was flown on the Apollo 8 mission.